Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to explain how to adjust the tungsten electrode, the ceramic and the welding head. Starting with the welding head. When switching inserts, not only do you need to place the insert into the device, but you also need to position the bearing that fixes the tungsten distance. The smaller the pipe, the closer the bearing needs to be to the head holder axis. This adjustment is crucial because the tungsten tip must align with the bearing. After this, adjust the distance between the ceramic and the pipe. Loosen the two screws and set the correct distance. Adjusting the tungsten is straightforward. Use the remote control to rotate the head so the tungsten is perpendicular to the floor. Lift the head. Place the spacer between the tungsten and the pipe. Lower the head. Loosen the screw and set the correct distance.